Alright guys, it is currently 10:30, as you can see on my little box here. We're going to do box number 19 of 2013 Topps Turkey, and then we're going to do some Elite after. Be sure to check out the breaks ending tomorrow. Got some more Turkey and this Magic going off tomorrow. And check out Billsboxbreaks.com. Got a lot of breaks going up there. Good luck. I'm excited about the Elite too. I haven't broken any Elite before 2013, that is, so that'll be interesting. Here we go. Alright, here we go. So we got Tyler Eifert, Hopkins, DJ Harper, Tyler Wilson, Keenan Allen, and then our hit's going to be underneath that, so I'll just put that to the side and we'll look at that after. It's right here. And then we got, let's see, who's this? Barrett Jones Mini, Mike Lennon. That might be the alternate too, or the variation. Matthew Gould, and who's that? Hankins. Alright, and the auto is going to be going to who's this? Dolphins. Jamar Taylor. Dolphins getting the hit. We don't have the Dolphins today. Dolphins did not sell. So I'll get another one of these. So if anyone's interested in the Jamar Taylor, let me know. Happy to trade it, sell it, get a little of my money back for these turkey boxes. Anyways, thanks for joining, and we'll be doing the Elite next.